Do you want to make extra money on the side? With this free app, you can now do just that. It's easy, quick, and secure. Find out how you can start earning money with no effort and no investment in this video. Learn how hundreds of people have already benefited from this app and how it could help you too. Don't miss the opportunity to get paid for your free time. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Run this app named SideJobs. SideJobs platform gives unlimited access and convenience to users wanting to make money. Appointment scheduling is available 24 hours a day. You can find any job you can do to make money on the side. SideJobs makes it easy. It's free with no subscription to create a profile. Browse through the many available categories you might be qualified for, or not need a qualification to do. Features like private in-app chat messaging, calendar and job scheduler, GPS to location, live job status updates, social media links to your profile, document upload, earnings tracker, etc. It's all here. The common job categories are auto services, babysitting, hair, beauty, handyman, housekeeping, IT, computer, landscaping, painting, personal trainer, pet services, photography, plumbing, snow services, and tutoring, etc. You can pick up jobs and get paid whenever you have time. You can complete jobs that don't require certifications. Also, you can add certifications to your profile to increase the amount of job categories you can do, increasing income potential. Set your date and time available for work in the app and start picking up jobs up for grabs and making more money. You get 100% of your payout. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up. Comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.